This is Brian from American Auto, and this is my 1968 GMC Short Step and the journey until present day. All videos after this will be of the work I am doing currently and not pictures. Please like, comment, and share. Thank you.